Nidhi
this wonderful,
ma'am.
awesome
How are
session.
you?
Hi, Vani ma'am. How are you?
I
I'm
am
all
very
good.
good.
All
I'm
good.
so sorry for the delay because I'm doing a live like this for the very first time with someone. I just couldn't. It took me so much time to come. So yeah, how are you?
So, ma'am, it is lovely evening. So let us, welcome all the lovely kids
Absolutely.
out there on this
Absolutely.
channel. And it's my extreme pleasure, honor, right, to have this session on this page of VS along with you to celebrate women, right?
Absolutely,
So-
Nidhi ma'am. Absolutely. It is my pleasure that after, I think we've known each other for a decade now, Nidhi ma'am. And after
Exactly,
10 years
exactly.
now, we're doing a live on Instagram like this. And it's my absolute honor, pleasure to come with you, my friend, confidant, guide, my senior in Lakshya and Vedantu. So I'm like, I'm honored, humbled.
Same
Yes.
feeling. Like
Yes.
I can't think that it's been really like a decade that we have known each other. I just can't believe it. It's been
Believe
really
it, yes.
long time.
Yes. It's such a long time, Nidhi ma'am. Absolutely.
Bathinda there to
I
Vedantu.
know. And with these kids now, so much to tell them about us, so much to tell these young girls and boys and everyone. And what a beautiful occasion to come live. In fact, Women's Day. I think all these kids have also joined. Nice. तो बताइए मैम, आप करिए agenda set and let's get roaring. Let's have a super amazing day.
It is just that there is no agenda, ma'am. It is just a day. It is just a session to celebrate, womanhood. Nothing
Correct.
else. Although
Correct.
each day is our day, but it's good to feel someone special on some specific
Yes.
day.
Some celebration. Maybe yesterday,
Exactly.
I was also, recording a message for Biotonians, and I was wanting to wish them Women's Day, and then I also told them, I said, every day is everybody's day, be it boys, be it
Exactly.
girls. But yes, it feels nice. It feels special when you have, maybe a day dedicated for the world to celebrate you and celebrate womanhood.
Because
Especially
day-to-day life, we have this tendency to forget the minute things, the things we should celebrate, to celebrate life. So these are the days when we realize, yes, we are blessed to be what we are today, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So
absolutely.
in day-to-day hustle, we just forgot these little things to pay gratitude towards the things, towards the nature, towards the people around us, to celebrate who we are. Actually, that's a big deal. So it's a good feeling to have such lovely, awesome days to celebrate ourselves. It's not celebrating
Correct.
women, it's celebrating ourselves.
Yes,
Right?
yes, celebrating
So,
the uniqueness that we all are, ma'am. And what better?
Exactly.
I feel as a profession also, Nidhi ma'am, I'm so glad we've chosen a profession, and now especially with online and with Vedantu, where we can influence. Because I remember, when we were younger, and not that we are older now. I mean, when we were even more younger. And when we had an offline setup, our influence was very less. And sometimes as a woman and as a teacher and as an influencer now, I feel that even, these days, and when we have talks like these, just telling the kids the right things and, making them
Exactly.
aware of the special people in their lives, their mothers, their sisters, their friends and their family members. It's such a, we can do so much more. And we can,
Yes.
maybe bring about a change one session or one class or one lecture at a time. So yeah.
Actually, this is the thought behind it, right? We are in a profession, we are in a position that we have so many students connected to us, right?
Correct.
And many students are connected to us. They look up to us.
Correct.
They want to know what we are. They want to know our journey, right? So we should take it as an opportunity to inspire them in the right sense, ma'am. What I believe is, because there are so many
Absolutely.
young girls, out there looking Vani ma'am as a role model for them. Like it's not that urban, semi-urban, rural areas also. You are the face now, right? So many young women, they are looking up to you as the role model. So it's our responsibility. It's our thing to make them realize their potential, what they are capable of.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely, ma'am. Yes.
So these are the occasions we should take advantage of, I'll say, because रोज तो हम chemistry और biology पढ़ाते हैं,
बिल्कुल,
right? And
बिल्कुल,
in
बिल्कुल.
between we give such small stuffs to inspire the young minds, to motivate them. But yes, these are the day we should take advantage of to especially cater certain set of our audience, our students जो इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, right? To inspire them in the right sense so that they can do wonders, they can reach,
बिल्कुल
they get what they deserve actually.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। मैम एक बात बताओ, आपने कभी सोचा था लक्ष्य में? यू नो बिकॉज मैंने तो नहीं सोचा था, और आज अभी ना बात निकली है तो मैं आपको कुछ बड़ी दिल की बात बताती हूँ मैम। आज कल ना इनफैक्ट आई एम स्टार्टिंग अप, आई एम डूइंग अ न्यू स्टार्टअप। सो मैंने कभी भी इसके बारे में किसी को नहीं बताया, थोड़े बहुत बच्चों को पता है बिकॉज मैं अपने चैनल पे बहुत बात करती रहती हूँ, बट ऑब्वियसली कहीं पढ़ाऊंगी नहीं, वो तो आपको पता ही है, पढ़ाना वेदांतु पे है। बट एक चीज है जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, और आई थिंक
मतलब let me quote it, a big revelation for
yes, big reveal
ma'am.
मैं सोच रही
she is revealing a big thing, something
yes,
big is coming out from Mani ma'am on Women's Day. She is revealing a big thing, right? So now
आप सोचो क्या हो सकता है। चलो आप तो मुझे इतनी देर से चाहते हो, अगर मैं कुछ स्टार्टअप कर रही हूँ अपना, स्टार्टअप तो क्या, कुछ छोटा सा, कुछ एक दिल की तमन्ना है जो मैं, और मैं ये सोचू अगर अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, और अगर मैं नहीं कर सकती तो शायद और
let me guess, Mani ma'am, let me guess. Either it is something to do with plants or something gardening. I'll say.
Everybody told me number one, नहीं सोचो और सोचो plant.
Okay, or is it something to for your nation, of course, because you're very
Okay, now okay, close और सोचो और थोड़ा deep जाओ.
Okay, like some contribution towards this nation, India, to be to give something.
Okay, giving back to my country, but giving back to 50% of my country. अब क्या हो सकता है? I'm starting something which is called Vani, which is Voice for Change, which is specially for young girls.
Oh wow!
Yes,
lovely.
Thank you.
And such an awesome day
I
to
know. I wanted to launch it on
thing.
it, but इतना काम था, मैंने कहा चलो अभी शुरू हो गया, मे बी एक हफ्ते 10 दिन में। क्योंकि निधि मैम अगर आप सोचो, जब हम बठिंडा में थे और हम पढ़े लिखे घरों से हैं, हम पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था हम जिंदगी में इतना दूर आ पाएंगे मैम। एक तरह से बुरा भी है क्योंकि हम इतने मायोपिक थे और हमारी एस्पिरेशन ही इतनी कम थी, पर whatever we are doing now, मैं शायद इसे प्रोविडेंस कहूंगी, गॉड्स ग्रेस कहूंगी, लक कहूंगी, या शायद हार्ड वर्क हमने जरूर किया ना। पर मैम आप सोचो, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि इतनी बड़ी एडटेक कंपनी, उसमें हम पढ़ाएंगे और हम
exactly. We never thought of it, ma'am. Actually, when we started our career long back, like 2009 or 2010-11 around, so we never thought of it. Like, we can address students across India. Just imagine Bathinda. Not many of them know where the Bathinda is, right?
Yes.
So अभी भी जो बहुत सारे बच्चे हमें देख रहे हैं, उनको पता भी नहीं होगा exactly Bathinda कहाँ है, किस जगह का नाम है. So it's not something कि वो बहुत ही hotspot type nahi raha hai. So we started our journey kind of from there as teachers, and that time also we were like a very conventional teacher, I'll say, just another teacher you can say.
Correct.
We assume it to be, right? We never thought of okay, we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll get this, we'll do that, we'll inspire so many young minds, we'll we will have the opportunity, we'll have the platform to interact with so many students across India, across globe. We never ever thought.
Never ever thought. मैम आपने कभी सोचा था आप YouTube पे आओगे, लाइव लेक्चर लोगे, लोग आपको देखेंगे? और मैम बात बताओ मुझे, मैं और अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर मैम अब हमने गिव बैक नहीं किया, अगर उस स्टेज में जो लेडीज हैं, जो बच्चियां हैं, जो हमसे थोड़ी छोटी है या हमारी एज की, अगर हमने उनको ना बताया दैट यार मतलब दिस इज पॉसिबल, ये हमारे साथ हुआ है, आपके साथ with guidance and with bigger better things can happen. आप ये बताओ मैम, आपको कितने लोगों ने मेंटोर किया है, या कितने लोगों ने आपको कभी बोला है निधि यार ऐसा करते हैं? हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. I never thought. I did not have a mentor.
Nobody. I'll say even if we are so much aware, very educated, but still वो aspirations का बार कभी हमने raise किया ही नहीं, because we were not provided with such surrounding, the people around us. They were not very pro to, you think big, be big, dream big, achieve big. So it was never the case, never the case. Whatever we are doing, that is because we really want to do it.
Correct.
That's our self-inspiration, I'll call it. Right?
Exactly.
We can inspire by the people who are not known to us. We can't talk to them, like the celebrity. Like I am so very much inspired by most of the, mythological characters like Draupadi, and also the British royal family, Princess Diana. So we took inspiration, rather we take inspiration from all those, you know, characters. But in day-to-day life, nobody around us, if if I recollect, nobody around me said me, okay, you can do it, you can dream this big, you can be this and that. Everyone around me can talk of being married, having a kid, having a family, but nobody ever talked us about, okay, you are good at it, so you can do better in this. You can,
exactly,
you know, you have this potential, you can make best use out of it, you can grow professionally. That professional thing is always a secondary in case of women, I'll say, still in India, right? So it is never the priority. I'm not saying
हमारे, like for example, who's our aspiration? Indra Nooyi, jo saat samundar paar hai.
Exactly.
Or maybe, you know, who else? We don't have aspirational figures in our life. We don't have mentors in our life. We don't have, and we don't really have targets. Acha, theek hai, now you're 17, you need to do this. Now you're 22, you need to do this. Now you're 25, you need to do this.
Exactly.
It is, there are so many hurdles on our path. And now, people like you and me who've broken this, I feel now is the time to give back. It has happened to us by design. It is not by default. I didn't plan it. But I asked myself, हमने plan क्यों नहीं किया? कभी किसी ने बोला ही नहीं कि it just happened. It happened by default. And then I realized, oh wow, today I am Vani and I have Biotonic and I have Vedantu and I'm shooting an ad with Amir Khan. And you know, all of this has just happened. But if somebody asks me, did you plan it? Did you know that you could do it? If I ask my younger self, I have so many doubts. Even now, if you ask me to do something, we have so many doubts. We feel कि अच्छा पता नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा. Do we have the potential? And I think that needs to change. Especially
there's always a question mark. There's always a question mark, which is there within us because of the surrounding that we grow in, right? Because although our parents were very supportive in everything, they were supportive, right?
Absolutely.
But still, I don't know what it is, but it is something around us which makes us feel.
I know you
which
very
makes
well.
us question everything.
Yes, you know me very well.
Rather, the mindset of the most of the people around us, they have this, oh, are you able to do it? Will you be, you know, can you crack it? So something of that sort. I'll take a little example of it. So, we are into an industry जहाँ बहुत सालों से हम जेई के बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं. So every now and then, all those people around us, I used to, you know, hear these comments जो बहुत बुरे भी लगते हैं. In fact, okay, so top ranks are always boys. IIT top ranks are always boys. So it is not something like the well-educated people around me, but it is the notion that, you know, make them believe, oh, girls can't do better in this, they can't do better in that, you know, that some kind of stereotypical things that we can only do, right?
Absolutely.
So these are the little things I'll say.
Well, ये छोड़िए, मैंने तो IIT के teachers देखे and I've called that out. My children know. I've called that out on social media. JEE के top rankers, I see nothing against anybody. What we are looking at is a more equal society. What we are looking at is more participation. And when I look at it, you and me both come from backgrounds where our parents are very supportive. We got married into families which are very progressive and very supportive. अगर हम लोग ऐसा feel करते हैं, then we can only imagine how the subcontinent will be feeling. And you know how much there is so much to change. मैं teachers देखती हूँ, JEE के teachers, it is so biased. You see top 5 channels for JEE in the country, be it YouTube or offline, 95% of the faculty is male. So I often think to myself कि अगर कोई बच्ची पढ़ने भी जा रही है, उसके लिए aspiration कहाँ है? Where is the aspiration? Where is the equality? Where is that norm, that justice? And I think it really needs to be called out. It really, and if you and me don't do it, who else will do it, right? I think it's very important that we do such things, and that's the reason why I am super excited now for my, you know, for the new thing that I'm going to be doing. Let's see.
Such a lovely, you know, thought that you have regarding this whole concept of Vani.
And ma'am, can you imagine? मेरे को कल तक लग रहा है कहीं failure तो नहीं हो जाएगा. I'm asking somebody.
नहीं.
And then see what I wanted to say is again conditioning, ma'am. वो कौन सी चीजें जो हमारे दिमाग में इतना काम करते हैं, कंडीशनिंग ओनली. अभी तक मुझे लग रहा है यार अगर ना चला तो, and then I'm like, it's okay, let's do it, let's, you know, एक बार कूदते हैं मैदान में.
Nothing to do with feminism. We are not the flag bearers of feminism. Feminism, like, there is no concept like feminism. It is just respecting all genders, right? Respecting the gender. It is not that we are the, you know, torchbearers of
And ma'am,
feminism,
if I can,
ladkiyan
if I
ye,
can put
ladkiyan
in
wo.
here,
No, it is just that you have to respect a certain gender.
gender
It
is
is just
cultural.
that, right?
It's not even biological. No,
Exactly.
it's okay. I need to read
Exactly.
something out from here. So this is one book which I was reading
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
morning.
sure.
And it's a beautiful book, and you need to hear it out, and you need to hear it. I mean, everybody needs to hear it out. So it's beautiful. It's a really nice book, and I will. Okay. So I'm reading something, ma'am. Can you see this? He and she.
Yeah, sure.
So, and this is *Sapiens* by Yuval Noah Harari, and I'm so glad इसमें humankind लिखा है. Otherwise, ma'am, can you imagine his story का मतलब भी his story है, her story नहीं है. It's not history. It is his story. So it should be basically, it should be everyone's story. History comes from the word his, which is for men, and story, which is for story. So this is, I'm so glad it says humankind and does not say history. So I'll just read it out. They say different societies adopt different kinds of imagined hierarchies. Race is very important to modern Americans, but was relatively insignificant to medieval Muslims. Caste was a matter of life and death in medieval India, whereas in modern Europe, it is practically non-existent. One hierarchy, however, has been of supreme importance in all known human societies, the hierarchy of gender. People everywhere have divided themselves into men and women, and almost everywhere, men have got the better deal, at least since agricultural revolution. And it's such a beautiful book. It talks about how, I want to read something else also, ma'am. This says throughout, only a handful of women have made it to alpha position, such as Cleopatra of Egypt, Empress Wu Zetian of China, and Elizabeth I of England. Yet there are exceptions that prove the rule. Throughout Elizabeth's 45 years reign, it's history that I'm quoting, absolute history. So throughout Elizabeth's 45-year-old reign, all members of parliament were men. All officers in the Royal Navy and Army were men. All judges and lawyers were men. All bishops and archbishops were men. All theologians and priests were men. All doctors and surgeons were men. All students and professors in all universities and colleges were men. All mayors and sheriffs were men, and almost all writers, architects, poets, philosophers, painters, musicians, and scientists were men. So it's tragic.
Exactly.
It's very bad. It's like half the world's population does not get its right. And I think what I also really appreciate, no, Nidhi ma'am, from the bottom of my heart, is this generation is beautiful. The present generation is very open. You know, the present generation is very accepting.
I'm coming to this point only. Like now, I'm after listening to these words, I am feeling blessed that I am in this generation, right? So now the women are the fighter pilots also. So I'm blessed to be part of this generation.
That, I think the men also, like boys in my class.
Exactly.
These men in our societies are more open. They are more receptive. They are more graceful. They, because it's their mothers that they see. It's their sisters. It's their friends. It's their aunts.
Yes.
And they're seeing all of this. And I really, really like. I think it's a beautiful, special. Maybe not our generation as much as this present generation. The one that we teach and influence, they are very open when it comes to something like gender, when it comes to cultural problems, when it comes to religion, when it comes to nation building, when it comes to all these things. I personally feel that this generation is phenomenal.
Because they're more evolved in the thought process. They're more evolved. They are not very biased, right?
Yes.
They're more evolved, right, for the good of the society only.
Absolutely.
Right? So the students that we have, they have utmost respect for the their female counterparts, their the colleagues around them or the classmates. So it is good to know that.
It's really nice.
Right? They're very comfortable with the women around. The women achieving something, right? They're pretty comfortable in this.
Yes.
Right? Even nowadays in our homes only, the people around us, our spouses, they're also like very, you can feel that sense of liberty in them as well, right?
Correct. Equality, liberty, justice, absolutely.
And of course, like for behind every successful woman, there is always a man. I will say it otherwise as well, right? So it is just that both supporting each other. It's never one way. It is always two ways now. It is always two ways, right? So if I am doing something because I have some one other to support me for this, right? If somebody else is doing something, so there's some support system around, right? So everyone requires, irrespective of the gender, everyone requires a support system. So why the quote is always behind every successful man there is a woman? Why it can't be behind every successful woman there is a man?
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
It should be like vice versa should also be the case.
Yes,
So
yes.
all the proverbs, all the quotes, most of them, at least जितना मैं जानती हूँ, they're all, you know, this man centering और थोड़ा patriarchy वाला feel रहता है, right? So it is just the same as you know told me from this book only, because वो age old जो thought process है ना वही चला रहा है.
Correct.
But yes, we are glad, we are happy कि वो fade हो रहा है ना धीरे धीरे. It's been fading, right? The new thought process, the evolved thought process is coming up. अभी तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है अपने students को देख के, they are supporting, you know, irrespective of the gender, irrespective of everything. They are not doubting, rather they are appreciating equally.
Yes.
Right? So if some girl is doing something good in my class, if some girl is cracking some Olympiad, and the boys in my class, they're all appreciative about the fact, right? Oh, that is something really good.
Well,
so they don't have the emotion now.
देखो ये जो बच्चा है ना, इन्होंने शायद अपनी मदर को स्ट्रगल करके उस चीज से बाहर निकलते हुए देखा है, या अपनी सिस्टर को थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करते हुए देखा है, तो इन्होंने वो फ्लक्स देख लिया है बिटवीन मदर से पहले वाली जनरेशन में और अभी प्रेजेंट वाली अपनी खुद की जनरेशन में भी, अपनी सिस्टर्स ब्रदर्स वाली. सो आई थिंक दे आर वाइज. मुझे लगता है दे आर वाइज बियॉन्ड देयर इयर्स एंड दे आर वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग, व्हिच इज अ ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेंड. आई थिंक इट्स रियली नाइस. इट्स वेरी हार्ट वार्मिंग दैट हम सही डायरेक्शन में है, देश आगे बढ़ेगा. तो दैट इज वेरी हार्ट वार्मिंग.
And the best part is the organization where we are working. That is always.
I was about to come up with
that is always like वो women empowerment वाली feel जो आती है, that is very 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 important, right?
हमने कभी कोई sexist या इस तरह का behavior नहीं देखा.
अगर वो आपको support करेगा, then only you can work with your full energy, with your full heart, right? So definitely we should take an opportunity to thank our founders also to have this thought process.
Yes,
right?
Absolutely.
From them only.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Since Lakshya only. Yes. It is like very, very, being very honest, I was the only girl in 2009. They sent me to Bathinda Center. They never had that, that so-called stereotypical notion ki no, we can't send a girl
kaise karegi,
to take a lead, right? So, in chemistry, so rather we send some boy instead of her. So many little trivial things that make you realize the thought process of a person.
Yes, absolutely,
right? So
absolutely.
The belief they have in us, that is really commendable. I really respect them for that.
That you are uncomfortable to say something, to do something. There are the times when you're working in the office late in the night, but kabhi bhi that that feeling, there is a comfort, there's a family like mahal, there is a lot of dependence, you are safe. And एक और चीज है, there's something which I really want to talk about. आजकल बहुत न्यूज में है and बहुत common is gender bias when it comes to salary, gender bias when it comes to
pay parity. That pay parity, everyone is feeling not here only in every profession. There is a pay parity thing that is existing.
Yes. See, if you have it in you, if you have the potential, because right now, out of physics, chemistry, maths, biology, I'm the only female head of department who's there in Vedantu. But I feel that I'm at par with my male counterparts. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ that my voice or anything which I'm saying or doing has a little lower status. So I think for that we truly are blessed, Nidhi ma'am, and I'm so glad that you got something so beautiful out, because it's very important to let the world know that it's such a beautiful organization.
Not every now and then we can express these emotions, these feelings, right?
Yes.
So this is the day when we realize all the little things that everybody around us contributed to make us feel special, to make us feel empowered, right?
Yes, that's the word.
So it is, I'm sure, like, initially it was Lakshya, now Vedantu, the founders are same, the DNA is same, I'll say. So the same feeling I'm having in Vedantu also, that that women empowerment, that empowerment of a gender, it is about equality. They are treating every employee equally, irrespective of the gender, right? So that is the best part being here. Like,
Correct. Absolutely.
That is the only thing that you can, get best out of you.
Absolutely.
And if you are working in an environment where every now and then you have to prove, oh, I can also do this, I can also do that, you have to convince the other party, no, I am good at it, I can do it, let me do it. So there's no point of doing
no
it.
point.
Right?
And the constant pressure to prove yourself.
Exactly. You're blooming like anything just because the ecosystem has a belief that yes, you can do it.
Correct.
Right? And that is not something which is, expressed in word, which can be expressed in word. It is the feeling. That is
correct.
That can be communicated, reciprocated by their actions and everything.
Correct.
So yes, we are also proud, we women, Indian women.
Yes, we are proud, we women.
Vedantu women.
I would want to continue. I will, and I'm sure every teacher in Vedantu, this is the same ecosystem which we give to our kids. Exactly. Everybody is equal. You could be anybody. You could be male, female, or for that matter, I often say in my class, you could be even somebody in between male and female if you associate with that gender.
Exactly.
Now that Article 370 is legal in our country, it doesn't matter what you are, who you are, because gender is extremely cultural. Whoever you are, it's more important is you are equal. In the laws of the land, you are equal. In our classes, you are equal, and you have if you have the potential, it's human more than male or more than female.
Exactly. You rightly said the term conditioning. Ma'am, वो conditioning वाले years हैं इन बच्चों के ना, and we have that responsibility to condition them in a better right way.
Correct.
Right? वो जो हमने कहा ना, we were conditioned that way.
Correct.
We were conditioned to doubt ourselves every now and then whether we can do it. So it's our responsibility being a teacher, because ये उनके formative years हैं बच्चों के बहुत सारे. So we should condition them in such a way कि they'll not doubt themselves. Like irrespective of who they are, they just strive for the best. They just want to get what they really want to get.
Absolutely.
So this is what I think this whole Women Day celebration, this whole propaganda of this day is all about. To make ruk jao, realize your potential. You are capable of doing anything. Just dream of it. Just go for it. This is something, this day is so special about. Okay. Mani ma'am, I want to ask you certain questions जो शायद बच्चे भी जानना चाहते होंगे, although many of you तो अभी they know you in and out very well, right? So कोई ऐसा incident in your life, be it professional or be it personal, that you feel like कि भाई you are having that women wala part, any incidents, it can be professional and personal, where you feel okay, you are being sidelined, or you are being you make that made you feel inferior, right?
Okay.
Any if you want to recall.
I really have to think, ma'am, because I personally when I was younger,
I told you my one incident, the comments around me regarding that JEE ranks.
Correct.
मुझे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा pinch करता है. So it is kind of agenda of my life. I'm sharing it publicly once and for all. Although the near and dear ones, they know. I want some girl to get all India rank 1 in JEE. I really want. This is my desire.
Awesome.
I want to mentor a girl. It's not because I want to prove something. It is nothing that I want to prove that girls are superior. No. It is just that, okay, if a girl can dream of it, she can achieve it.
Absolutely.
It is just that. A girl never thought of getting all India rank this or that, or to crack Olympiad. It is just that. It is just that. Literally just that.
Correct.
Once they get the feel of it, once they get the hang of it, they will get it. Right?
They will get it.
This is my real, I really want to.
Wow. Ma'am,
being a teacher, all India rank 1 in JEE.
Awesome.
So, I just pray, I just wish कि ये जल्दी पूरा हो. NEET में तो we all, we have all India ranks 1 in AIMS also. Eliza Bansal, we have.
Correct.
Right? So in JEE also. So this is one of my dreams, I'll say. If you say beyond anything else.
Correct.
So this is one of my dreams. So, and it is just because the triggering factor is that every now and then I can listen to these comments and then no, girls can't take that for in rank 1.
Yes.
Not now. It's not like recent नहीं है, बहुत पुराना है. So from that particular day, there are certain things in life, ma'am, जो आपके ना बहुत ज़्यादा दिल को लग जाती हैं. Certain casual comments. It's not something targeting somebody. It's not something targeting some gender. A casual interaction or a casual talk with anyone, just one comment, just one line, जो मतलब आपको ऐसा लगता है
चुभ
कि
जाती
दिल को
है।
लग जाता है.
Yes,
हाँ, तो
yes.
this is one of those things कि I really want कि कोई लड़की ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 JE1, and I'm sure बहुत जल्द आने वाला है वानी मैम वो दिन.
बहुत जल्द,
Right?
बहुत जल्द
You
मैम।
just
Yes,
start with
yes.
your initiative, that Vani wala initiative. I'll pick one girl and we'll get all into the JEE rank 1.
Yeah. मेरे तो बहुत
Right?
I really
So,
want to mentor these girls and I really want कि यार बच्चे पढ़ें, और स्पेशली वो बच्चियां मैम जो मतलब जिनके फैमिली सपोर्टिव नहीं होती, जिनके आसपास वाले लोग सपोर्टिव नहीं होते, जिनके ऊपर डाउट किया जाता है कि कुछ नहीं करेंगे, उनको ना अगर मतलब वही है ना डूबते को तिनके का सहारा. So I want to be that one person that यार कुछ नहीं होता, it's just a matter of time before you also will come out stronger and you will be able to do that. So that is something which is very close to my heart and I thought अब इस साल तो बस कर दिया जाए. I really want to do that.
Yes, very very good initiative, ma'am. We belong to a country जहाँ लड़कियों को पूजा जाता है.
Yes,
है ना, all
yes.
the goddesses that we have, yeah, like, but that hypocrisy is always there.
Yes.
On the one side we are worshipping all the goddesses, like, right, on the other hand we are making them feel they are inferior in some or the other sense. So
Correct.
it is some kind of a hypocrisy of our society that needs to be changed, really.
That needs
really,
to be changed
that
and
needs to be
called out.
changed. And I
Big,
hope
big,
after
big.
ये जो initiative है, that Vani wala initiative, I hope that will, you know, bring change in the mindset of the people around, right? So मैंने ना, I have realized so many things, they are all like बहुत ही जो पुरानी भी चीजें हैं ना, they are all proving the fact every now and then कि yes, you are like, वो जो gender है वो थोड़ा सा inferior है. Like even I got that we used to give that token money, the shagan, to all the girls, right? Because it was age old fact that they're not financially, you know, independent, they can't have their own money, so they're dependent on these things. That yeah, आप जाओगे, you'll get some shagan when some relative visits you, or your parents will visit you, or you go to their place, they'll give you certain amount of, you know, money as a, we call it shagan, right?
Correct.
So these are all things that shows कि भाई girls are dependent.
Correct.
Yeah, these are the trivial little things जो हैं, we don't, you know, realize these things because वो बहुत ज़्यादा imbibe हो चुके हैं हम में. But it all, I believe they all started with this notion only कि
बहुत गलत.
yes,
somewhere our society
we need somebody to support us.
Yes. बिल्कुल.
So it is just that छोटी-छोटी चीजें जो हमारे कल्चर का पार्ट बन चुकी हैं वो.
बिल्कुल सबकॉन्शियसली हमारे कल्चर का पार्ट बन चुकी हैं. yes.
So मतलब it is just that we need to break that notion. We can support ourselves.
And ये
right?
जनरेशन करेगी मैम. That is my faith. ये लोग, ये बच्चे करेंगे अभी जो हम नहीं कर पाए या जो हमारे से पहले वाली जनरेशन नहीं कर पाई. अभी आप just wait for next 50 years, all of this will just vanish away. Because I have a lot of faith in this present generation, which I'm sure they will just थोड़ी सी conditioning है वो हट जाएगी and this generation will do like supremely well.
Exactly. अभी तो वो evolved thought process we can, you know, feel also.
Correct.
So मुझे नहीं लगता बहुत समय लगेगा इस complete evolution आने में.
बिल्कुल.
Change of the mindset, right? And the students, the parents also are very much aware. They're giving the equal opportunities to their daughters, right?
Yes.
अभी तो बच्चे घर में भी they can feel that equality.
Absolutely.
जो शायद 20 years back, 30 years back,
नहीं थी.
you know, girl cannot feel at home. Also.
Correct.
Now
Correct.
every girl is like, oh no, dad's princess वाली feeling आ गई है. Like
Yes,
dad's
yes,
queen, dad's
yes.
princess. So I'm dad's princess वाली feeling आ गई है. So it is just that, okay, बच्चे ये use करते these, you know, terms, that dad's princess and everything. But this shows that they are being treated equally.
Equally.
They are being treated, you know, respectfully.
Correct.
जैसे
It's a big thing for country like ours.
भाइयों को मिल रहा है, तो they are also having that same, you know, privileges, the same, you know, respect in their households. So that is the good thing. So really a good thing, right? So I think कि बच्चों से भी कुछ पूछना चाहिए. They really want to ask something.
पूछना चाहिए मैम एक दो confuse करके. Any questions बच्चों, just type it down. और कुछ
any question you want to ask.
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन लिख रहे हैं, मजे से टाइप कर रहे हैं. also they are also having very nice time. कह रहे हैं ये कुछ अलग सी बातें हो रही हैं. Hi भावेश, दृष्टि.
Let me tell you, Dani ma'am and me had a great time in Bathinda, 2 years.
lovely time.
We were the
कभी हम
only
shopping करने
two
निकल
women,
जाते
I'll say,
थे.
again that stereotypical environment we had. We were the only two women
Correct.
in
Only
the
two.
teaching,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So we were the like, you know, एक दूसरे का साथ ही था, and बहुत गेड़ियां मारी है हमने बठिंडा में.
Yes. And then वो time भी अलग था.
So-
That was a different time, different era. अब तो अब
Exactly.
तक कि वो पता नहीं कौन सा जमाना था. You know which era was it
Seriously.
now? Yes, yes, yes.
The more we were very carefree, we were not very focused in life, and we were not that, you know, aspirational भी नहीं थे.
नहीं वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ
I'll
मैम,
say.
हमने सोचा ही नहीं था ठीक है चलो क्लास ले ली महीना खत्म हो गया तनख्वाह आ
हो
गई
गया,
उड़ा ली.
चलो.
Yes, है ना.
And Vani ma'am की that gardening and that, you know,
मैं तो हाँ फर्स्ट तारीख को पहुंच जाती
every
थी नर्सरी में.
that- exactly the every other day either you are on jeweler shop or on that gardening वाली nursery.
आई नो
So,
बड़ी
I-
ड्यूटी
I-
बनवाई है मैंने.
I do remember. So times, you know, times have changed, and
Times
so
have
we are also changed. So बच्चों से कोई क्वेश्चन अभी पता नहीं क्या टाइप कर रहे हैं, कितना क्वेश्चन टाइप कर रहे हैं, can't see the charts.
No, they're making hearts. They're very happy. More than anything else, नीचे दिख रहे. They're like, I'm future surgeon and all. Yes, absolutely. You are girl gang, and trust me, you are the best. This is like the Vedantu girl gang, the bestest kids ever. Yes, I know. Oof, चलिए फिर मैम. I think it was really nice. I think we should do it more often, Nidhi ma'am. आप और मैं we should keep coming. हम
Exactly.
15 दिन.
Okay, last question I want to ask you, ma'am.
हाँ जी, please.
What advice would you want to give to Vani if you go back into your past?
lovely.
Choti Vani, the child wali Vani, the school going Vani, right? What piece of advice you want to give her?
Oh, lovely question, ma'am. Very nice question. I often keep thinking this and keep telling this, and maybe I was thinking in my when I start to mentor kids, this will be my first. I wanted it to be episode number 1. That 5 things which I want to tell the younger Vani. So, ma'am, first of
Yes.
all, I would really tell them you're stronger than your fear. There are so many times we fear going out, we fear asking that question, we fear asking the examiner to explain one more time or the teacher to explain one more time. If we want to make a choice, we like something, we don't like something, we don't say that too often. We are stronger than our fears. And I think everybody needs to know we are very strong. Innately, we are very strong. We are much stronger. Number 2, I would want to tell them, ask. Don't be afraid to ask. What will happen? You'll go wrong. There are so many,
Exactly.
and our prejudices, our biases, our conditioning, we don't even ask. And that is what makes us weak. We are smart, we are intelligent, but we don't ask. I think that's something which all girls do. We think we will never be able to do it. We don't ask for what is rightfully ours. We don't ask for an opportunity. We don't ask for a pay raise. We don't ask for, going to the college of our choice, wanting to wear the dress which we want to. So I want to tell everybody to ask. And number 1, I want everybody to dream big. I wish 10 years down, Vani dreamt big. Like now, if somebody asks me, Nidhi ma'am, what do you want to be? I'm sorry to say that, but I want to be the Prime Minister of India. That's like my aim now. And I tell it to everybody and everybody laughs. I know, let them laugh, but at least I'm dreaming big. Yeah, Prime Minister nahi to bhaiya MP ban jaungi. MLA ban jaungi.
And Prime Minister say, I am so very inspired by Sushma Swaraj ji.
Yes. Yes.
So
yes.
such an inspirational lady.
Yes.
She was like,
yes.
I was totally in awe of her.
Absolutely in awe of her.
I
And
just
now
told that Prime Minister thing that all the politics background came into my mind, and the only figure I can think of is Sushma Swaraj.
I can think of Jacinda Ardern, I think of Angela Merkel in Germany and Jacinda in New Zealand, and I think of Michelle Obama in US, and I think of Kamala Harris now. So
you know what?
We don't
She's
ask.
Michelle Obama is the first person I started following on this Insta.
Oh, she's
I'm not very
phenomenal.
Insta pro kind of a person, so she's the one I started following. The very first person I started following is Michelle Obama.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
so many strong, powerful women around. Every woman is powerful, rather I'll say. Every woman is powerful.
Every
It's just
woman,
you have
you
to
got a lot of
realize that
strength.
power of yours.
Yes. Yes.
You just need to realize that power of yours. We didn't realize that 10 years back. We didn't realize that, 15 years back. But जितनी जल्दी realize कर लेंगे ना, we can do wonders.
We can do wonders.
अभी मुझे लगता है now I am तो मतलब बूढ़ी हो गई, half life has gone. Now I realize how much powerful I am.
How much
Right?
potential
So-
I have. Yes,
So
yes,
I really
yes.
want my students, every student, to realize this as soon as possible.
Correct,
To realize this power of you at a very young age.
correct.
Because you can do real
Correct.
wonders. Abhi to late ho gaya na, when you have this sudden realization. So it's been like, अरे थोड़े से बूढ़े हो रहे हैं, right? So, but अगर ये चीज बच्चे अभी at the age of 15, 16, 17, they realize this thing, ma'am.
Oh, they will be phenomenal. मैम 16, 17, 18 में इतने डाउट्स होते हैं, इतनी डाउट्स होते हैं, पर यार नहीं, टेंशन मत लो, सामने वाला भी उतना ही डाउटफुल है जितना आप हो. हमें लगता है
Exactly.
नहीं, हम ही इनसिक्योर होते हैं, हमें अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं
Exactly.
होता. It won't come like this. Till the time you don't go out there and you don't give a strong fight, that confidence will not come. Just go in. मैं तो कहती हूँ सबको डाल दो समुद्र के बीच में, अपने आप तैरना, मरता क्या नहीं करता. So once you have to do it, you will learn to do it. And I think that was the idea why I wanted to start what I'm starting, Nidhi ma'am. And I feel that with a little push, this generation will be like, it'll fly, it'll soar up.
So the best feeling that these days, like for so many, years I'm having is being fearless. Yes. This is the term I can totally relate to now, being fearless. I have so many insecurities, so many fears. If I say, 10 years back now, so I'm totally unapologetic.
We'll fall down.
Totally fearless. Exactly. This is what I feel.
Big deal.
And once you're fearless, Amani ma'am, you feel so empowered.
Yes.
You feel so unapologetic. You feel, there's something that was stopping you. Now you are free. You are liberated. So this is something I really want every young girl to realize as soon as possible.
As soon as possible, yes.
Yes, this is a really strong feeling to have.
Correct.
And everyone has that potential. We don't have anything special, Vani ma'am. Neither you nor me
everyone
nor
has that
anyone
potential,
else, right?
ma'am. It is just
So
about
we don't have
realizing.
anything special enough. It is just to realize your potential.
Yes,
So
yes,
it is
yes.
For every young girl out there, जो भी सुन रही है, जो भी सुनेगी, our only piece of advice is to just realize your potential.
The earlier the better.
Just that.
Yes,
You have an
yes.
enormous, tremendous potential in you. Don't be late. Realize it. Be fearless. And dream big. As you rightly said, dream big. Right? So last thing, what advice you want to give to the men of the society to how to celebrate this Women's Day or how to celebrate women around? जो भी बच्चे हैं वो भी सुन रहे होंगे. They have mothers, they have sisters, right? They have friends. So how to, celebrate that womanhood, how to celebrate that gender around you?
Beautiful question, ma'am. Beautiful question. And beautiful question maybe to end with. Ma'am, I want every man to realize to not glorify the sacrifice of a woman. It's a very deep statement. There are so many women who sacrifice their careers. Mothers do it when they become young mothers. Ladies do it when they get married. Girls do it for their brother's education. There is nothing to glorify in it. Don't make woman the sacrificial lamb. Don't make her ki acha ye to karti hai to karti. Your mothers, you can't even imagine how much they do. Don't glorify it. It's like unpaid labor. Let's not. Obviously, she's doing it with a lot of love. She loves you. She loves her home. She's a homemaker. She's doing it with a lot of willingness. But let's not glorify it. Let's not say that, she's a multitasker. It's, the thing is, because it's so. And ma'am, to be very honest, I really feel for those men who have to provide. Because it's not easy to provide for a family. You have your wife to look at. It's a very deep statement. अगर हम समझें, आपकी wife है, आपकी parents आप पे dependent है, आपके बच्चे हैं, तो उस एक आदमी पे भी कितनी जिम्मेदारी है. There is just so much of responsibility on that man, and he sometimes and हम वो glorify करते हैं. अच्छा मर्द है तो दर्द नहीं होगा, रोएगा नहीं. Why glorify all this? वो बेचारा.
It is simply when these all things are like stereotypical things, stereotyping a particular gender.
Yes. उसको बेचारे को भी कितनी टेंशन है.
कर देते किसी भी चीज को, that is not at all good. चाहे वो men है, चाहे वो women.
Exactly.
Right? For granted, if you have to earn, so that is a part of a man only.
Correct.
That is a job of a man only.
Correct.
So if you have to provide some comfort to the family members, the food, that is a part of a woman only. So when this, stereotypical thing happens, it is for nobody's, good.
Absolutely. So
Neither
much
for men
pressure.
nor for women.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes. तो आई फील दैट that those lines which culture has drawn, किसी भी ग्रंथ में, किसी किताब में कहीं पर नहीं लिखा है कि ये काम है, वो जो स्टीरियोटिपिकल लाइंस है ना, उनको ब्लर करने का टाइम आ गया है अभी. एंड आई मीन for women as well, I want all of you to not say कि ये मम्मी है तो करेंगी, और उनको ग्लोरीफाई कर दो. ग्लोरिफिकेशन से प्रेशर पड़ेगा कि यार अच्छा मुझे तो करना है, तो लेट्स नॉट डू
करना ही है.
yes. So that
have to make
my
all
message.
This is a part of that ecosystem. Women, tends to believe that, oh, they have to do it, they have to do these sacrifices. Well, these are the part of their, their nature.
Yes.
अगर वो ऐसे नहीं करेंगे, there is something, wrong that might have happened to the family.
बिल्कुल.
For granted वाला attitude, right? So everyone is having the dinner. So okay, she'll have her dinner in the end. These are the little things, right?
रोटी बनाएंगी, सबको खिलाएंगी, फिर आखिर में खुद उठाएंगी.
Exactly.
मतलब हाँ, so much. और मेरे को लगता है यार करती भी आ रही है, कितनी करुणा है उनके अंदर इतने सालों से जो करती आ रही है. बट आई डोंट थिंक सो वो अभी और करने की जरूरत है. लेट्स बी
अननेसेसरी प्रेशर भी आ जाता है
बहुत ज्यादा.
So we can relate this to in our homes also. Our mothers are now, they are like in their 60s, right? So still they have this pressure on them, although their body is not, supporting this fact.
Yes.
No,
yes.
you can't do it now. Okay, you have done a lot since ages. Now is not the time you can
now
do it.
Now the time. Yes.
So, abhi bhi they have this, so-called that women wala, that maa wala attitude, that's so much imbibed in them to do all the household chores and everything. So unnecessary pressure bhi build karta hai. And
बहुत unnecessary pressure build करता है.
The men around us should, know that. Don't glorify the sacrifice of the women around, right?
Yes.
Don't take them for granted that she will do it.
Correct.
So this is one thing. Rather, I really don't use a term for me ki sacrifice. I don't sacrifice, Vani ma'am. I don't sacrifice anything for anybody, because that will give me ultimately a feel that expectation wali feel. If I'm doing some sacrifice for you, na, after 20 years down the line, I'll expect the same from you. I really don't want to,
put that pressure on the other person as well. Yes.
Be in that mood. So, I'm a mother of a child. Okay, I can't go. I can't leave him. I have to sacrifice my job, my everything, because I have to take care. Oh, aisa nahi hai. I'll take care of that child, because of course he is my responsibility, but at the same time I have my responsibility to look after myself. I don't want to burden my child. After 20 years I sacrificed my job that time, so now you owe me this thing. No, I really don't want to do that.
Bilkul.
I'm not sacrificing anything for my son. Whatever I'm doing, it is my duty.
Correct.
Right? So I'm doing it. It's my responsibility for that little soul. That's it. No sacrifice in my place. Nothing of that sort is happening, because I don't want to give him that feeling. Oh, 20 years now, I'm old. I sacrificed my job, my life for you. Now you just leave everything and you just take care of me. No, this is not things should work, right? So that is why I really don't believe in this sacrifice thing.
बिल्कुल मैम.
Whatever the people around me say, but I really don't believe in this.
बहुत हो गया अभी, बहुत sacrifice कर लिया अभी तो बस.
Yes. Done. It's done. Totally done now, right? Yes. Okay, ma'am. Vani ma'am. So we are about to end this session, the Women Day celebration. I hope this session brings a lot of positivity in the young women or the men around us, right? जो भी इस session को देख रहे हैं, they should get that positivity, that they should realize their potential, right? And yes, वो जो आपका initiative है, Vani, I hope a big, I wish a big success to that initiative.
Thank you, ma'am.
Like success तो वो आ ही जाएगी. It's not about success, it's about changing the mindset. The real success of the initiative is
तो मेरा तो I will be happy.
The change in the mindset around. Yes. बिल्कुल. चलो वानी मैम, anything you want to share? And yes, please do tell us कि वो नीट एकलव्य वाला something, if anybody is interested that नीट एकलव्य,
वो बहुत जल्दी बहुत बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट होने वाली है. तो वेदांतु के जितने भी YouTube चैनल्स उन सब में सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. एकलव्य is like a brand of Vedantu, जहाँ पर free scholarships दी जाती है उन सारे बच्चों को जिनमें potential है, और आज हमने सारी potential की ही बातें करी है. तो NEET के लिए भी like JEE, we are very soon launching the NEET Eklavya, and just stay tuned for some super amazing news which is going to come your way very very soon. Yes, star shower, very nice. And thank you so much.
And also the Vedanta Olympiad School ने बहुत सारे Olympiad selections दी हैं इस साल in the Junior Science and the Maths Olympiad, and many more to come in the Senior Science Olympiad. I really wish we can have more and more number of equal selection from both boys and the girls.
Yes, and बहुत
we are going to
Olympiad
equal number of selections.
बिल्कुल, जो छोटे बच्चों को बताओ जाकर कि यार Olympiad School is like the best Olympiad school in the country.
Right, so this is all what. और एक last thing I want to share. Today, ma'am, we are talking about this Women's Day. We are celebrating Women's Day, right? जब मुझे याद है, when I was like very young, I was not aware of this Women's Day and something of that sort. I really don't know this something of this sort also exists, right? So celebrating this day itself gives us a sense that yes, we are acknowledging the women around us.
Absolutely, it does.
Now,
yes,
the students know about this day. Now the kids know about this day. That means society is being appreciative about the women's around them. So
Absolutely.
This is all what is required. So अगर हम Women Day celebrate कर रहे हैं, आज की डेट में हम बात कर रहे हैं, बच्चे आ रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, that means half job is done, Pani.
Half job is done. Yes. और इतनी देर से सुन रहे हैं boys and girls equally, तो मतलब really half job is done. But today, thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am, for having me over. It was a pleasure. It was an absolute
thank you
pleasure
so
to
much.
come
It
from
was
you.
lovely talking to you, talking
Yeah.
our heart out after so long, Pani ma'am.
I
Yes.
know, talking
It
about
is, I'm feeling nostalgic, but Hinda days I'm feeling nostalgic. So it is such a lovely time talking to you and on this special occasion, right?
Correct.
So I wish बहुत सारे बच्चे they realize this thing, the power and this true empowerment happens.
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
Hopefully.
Okay, thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am. Thank
all
you.
of you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
God
bye.
bless
Bye,
you.
everyone.
Bye, बच्चों. Bye, kids. It is a lovely session. Lovely.